Hello everyone, my name is Ayan Srivastava. I hope you are doing all well. Today we are going to talk about the topic astronomy and we have a very special guest with us, Spurgeon, who is a second year student of aerospace engineering. So Mr. Spurgeon, I'm going to ask you some question about astronomy.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so first question is, what is astronomy and why is it important?
So basically, astronomy is the basic study of stars, planets, galaxy, and the whole universe. It is important because it tells us how the universe begins and how it works. In old times, people used astronomy for farming, navigations, GPS, and all.
Okay, so can you please tell me how is astronomy different from astrology?
So the astronomy science
Hmm.
is based upon the facts and the observations, and the scientists use telescopes and data to understand the space. And the astrologies are just like horoscopes,
Okay.
zodiac signs,
Okay.
and just believes on the predictions and all.
Okay. So Spurgeon, I have a question in my mind. Like, why do stars twinkle? Like stars in the sky, why do they twinkle and the planets don't?
Because uh, stars have their own power.
Hmm.
Like we think the stars are blinking, but in real they are not blinking.
Okay.
It is just because the scattering of light is
Hmm.
the natural phenomena of the physics.
So, okay. Now there is a very great theory about black hole. Like everyone talk about
Yeah,
black
yeah.
hole in astronomy. So what's your opinion on black hole? What is black hole exactly?
So basically, the black hole is a very strong region in space
Okay.
where the gravity is so powerful, and theoretically, we can say that if you go in the black hole, you
Hmm.
get in the singularity.
Okay. So suppose then we often hear that that life exists outside Earth. So what's your opinion on this question?
Yeah, maybe. Like, I don't think so. We are that much lucky. Like, in all this universe, only the Earth planet, and we are surviving in that planet. I think that even we can't explore now,
Hmm.
and maybe in few decades also we can't explore the whole universe.
Hmm.
But we can say that in the universe there are more planets like Earth, and there also the life can exist.
Okay. So many times I heard from people like Elon Musk. They say that life exists on Mars. So do you believe in that?
So basically, uh, on the Mars, the like observations, facts, and like datas are collecting by NASA, ISRO, SpaceX, and Japanese aerospace engineering. So, like after few years, we can say that we can live on Mars.
Okay, Spurs. Now, let's change some topic. Can a normal person like me who is not involved in JE or in engineering can pursue or can study astronomy?
Yeah, sure. The astronomy anybody can study.
Hmm.
Like you can watch the sky with your eyes, and you can use the simple binoculars or small telescopes. Many beginners have discovered comets and stars, and today there are apps like astronomy apps where we can just put your phones on the sky and you can see where the planet is exactly located.
Wow, that's so fascinating. So, how was your interest built in astronomy?
So like when I was kid, I had watched the Mission Mangal movie,
Okay,
and that was the inspiration for me.
okay. So that bring an impact on your life on the
Basically,
topic astronomy.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So, what are the skills required to become an astronomy student or any relative things? Any
So
skills or any specific education required?
like basically you want to be expert in the physics and maths.
Okay.
If you can solve your physics better,
Hmm.
you can be the
Okay.
aerospace engineer.
Okay. So, what are some best institute for astronomy or aerospace
Ah,
engineering?
like for um, astronomy, there is a best institute like ISER Bangalore, ISST Bangalore, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur.
Okay,
And in private sector, you can go BITS Pilani.
Bits Pilani. Okay. Okay, Spursgen, can you please tell me what is Big Bang Theory? Because I have never heard about it, but every time I heard Big Bang Theory, everyone say that it is the reason why the universe is created. So can you please
Uh,
explain it? How was it?
Basically, the Big Bang theory we can still now not proven.
Okay.
Only theoretical we can prove, not practically. And the theory says that the this universe begins from the tiny particle.
Okay.
That tiny point, which was dense, hot, and too small, just like a piece of rice.
Okay.
And one day, the major ex- expansion happened in that tiny star, and over 13.8 billions ago, this big bang happened. And from this big bang, like time, gravity, galaxies, planets, and everything we see today is created.
Nice. Okay, Mrs. First Gen, there are many kids in the 11th, 12th who want to pursue astronomical engineering or they want to study astronomy. So, would you like to give them any tips, any specific skills they need to learn, or anything you want to
Like
say them?
basically, if you're in 11th 12th,
Okay.
you have to choose your stream science and in the maths, and you want to be better in the maths and the physics, and just appear the JE exam and take around 500 to 1000, under 500 to 1000 rank in a general category, so
Okay.
that you can get the main IITs and go there and study aerospace and directly the ISRO coming.
So that means a commerce student cannot easily pursue the
Like
astronomical engineering.
if you have interest, then you can go through like private internships, workshops, just get certificates, then appear in gate exam. After doing the graduation in commerce field, you can just pursue your post graduation in that aerospace engineering and just appear in gate exam.
Okay. Thank you so much, Persh. Your education was so fascinating. It shows me that how small we are in this vast universe and yet how much there is to explore. Thank you, Spurs, for joining us in this cosmic journey. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.